Let's move on with the game called Sound Effects. It's called Ryan and Colin. Ryan and Colin. Hello, what's your name?
Melissa.
Melissa, come on down here. Melissa, say hi to the guys. This is Melissa. Is that your friend in the red laughing at you?
Yeah.
What's your name, friend in the red?
Trish.
What's your name? Trish? Come on down here, Trish. This is Melissa and Trish. Go have some laughs. Go on down there right by my desk. This is Melissa, and this is Trish. There's your microphones. What's going to happen? This game is called Sound Effects. So these guys are going to do a scene for us. Melissa, you're going to do the sound effects for Colin. And Trish, you're going to do sound effects for Ryan. And the scene is ship's captain Ryan and his new bride Colin are getting romantic in their cabin on the Titanic moments before it hits the iceberg. And you guys are doing the sound effects. Take it away, guys.
A little champagne?
Well, thank you, dear.
It's a little flat.
Oh, there, it's a delayed fizz. Oh. Why don't I just open the porthole for a little air?
All right.
Oh, it's already open.
Cheers.
Clink, clink.
Being here with you is a dream for me.
Oh, darling, who could ask for anything more than being on the Titanic with the captain of the ship? Oh, it's so lovely.
We should be hearing the sound any moment of the 12 o'clock horn. Look! Seals!
Oh, hello, seals.
Oh, they're so beautiful.
Honey, there seems to be a big thing of ice out there.
Ice?
Yes.
Well, that can't be right. Oh, my God, we're going to hit it. Hang on! Everyone aboard is screaming. We're about to hit it.
Boy, I mean, we're just
No, we're going to hit it. Here it comes.
Oh, this is going to be a big bang.
That's odd. We hit it, and I think we blew a tire. Quick, we've got to get out of here. Quick, down the hall. Follow me.
Boy, the echo in this stairwell is strange.
Rats! Rats! It's all... Oh, my God, everyone's getting off the ship. The band's still here.
What's that song they're playing?
Apparently, it's the sound of silence. We're never going to get off this ship alive. I want you to have this.
A piccolo?
Yes. I thought the rats might follow you and we'll be able to float away on them. But that's not going to work. Help me lower the lifeboat.
My corset is a little rusty.
Okay, it's in the water. I heard it splash. Takes a while for it to get up here. It's a big ship.
There it goes, floating
You're
away.
going to have to jump in the water and swim for the boat.
Jump in the water, it's freezing.
I'll ring the horn and let everybody know you're coming.
Ding!
Sorry.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thanks.